Hello everyone and welcome back to Navigate School Assembly News. Today is 7 July 2026 and here are the top headlines for the day. Let's begin with the national news.
National news. PM Narendra Modi has begun a 6-day visit to Indonesia, Australia and New Zealand to strengthen India's Act East policy and deepen strategic partnerships. The IMD has issued heavy to extremely heavy rainfall alert for several states, including Karnataka, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Kerala and Odisha.
International news. US President Donald Trump will make his first ever presidential visit to Turkey to attend the NATO Summit. The historic trip is expected to focus on security and regional cooperation. The first UN Global Dialogue on AI governance continues in Geneva with India's participation, focusing on responsible AI development and global cooperation.
Karnataka State news. Haveri district has launched a 3-day cloud seeding mission using a special US aircraft to enhance rainfall and support farmers affected by a rain deficit.
Sports news. The Archery World Cup stage 4 begins today in Madrid and will continue until 12 July with top Indian archers competing for World Cup final qualification.
Thought of the day. The roots of education are bitter, but the fruit is sweet. Aristotle. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Jai Hind.